Hello everyone, and today we are gonna play a game, and it's called Tower of Heck, and we're gonna actually load into that. It's like an obby. I'm sure you guys know. Yeah, it's like an obby here, so we're just gonna load into that. Um, ooh, look at the speed run 4. Okay, so it's like this is Ice Spice there. Look at it. Yeah, people are Ice Spice. They wear Ice Spice. But let's search up Tower of um Heck. Let's go into that. As you guys can see, it says Tower of Dreams. We'll try to play Towers of Dreams. Playing that. So we're just gonna load in. Um, it's starting Roblox right now. As you guys can see, we are loading into Tower of Heck here. Um, yeah, we're like loading in, so we just have to wait. Is it loading? Yep. All right. Ooh, look at this, guys. It says, "I must be bully him." Okay. As we do that, we're gonna actually go up there. Oh my gosh, what is going on? Okay. Oh my gosh, bro, that's like an hot. Bro, how am I gonna do that? That's kind of hard. Man, I swear, I can't do that. Bro, I can't do that. That's too hard. That's too hard. Oh my gosh, that's too hard. I can't do that. Why would y'all do this? Oh, wait. I actually made it. Oh my gosh, guys. I actually made it. No freaking way. Guys, I just made it. Oh my gosh. Okay, can I get to the next one? Okay, let's see. Yes. No, I died. Bro, I keep dying. Oh my gosh. Bro, I swear, if I die again, I'm gonna be mad at myself. Bro, I better not die again. Bro, I swear, if I die... Oh, gosh, come on. Yes! No! Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Are you guys freaking serious? Oh, here's a new one. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna load in. I wonder what this one is. Actually, I'm like, not sure. Bro, shut up. Shut up. Bro, just shut up. Just shut up, whoever y'all moaning or something. Bro, this is kind of hard. I don't know how I'm gonna escape this eye or something. Bro, I keep dying, bro. This is like so crazy. I just keep dying. This is like so crazy. I think you have to like do this, I guess. Okay, I made it. Okay. Oh my gosh, that was kind of crazy. That was kind of crazy. Get stuck. Well, when you like fall, you get stuck. So kind of weird. Actually, I'm trying to make this like for real. Okay, let me just try this way actually, because I think. Oh my gosh, everybody's dying on this one. I feel like I will too. Oh, I made it. Okay, don't you dare! Don't you dare! How is y'all dying? But how am I not dying? Bro, whenever I get on it, watch. Okay, I missed that one. I don't know what happened because it's not supposed to do that. Okay, let me try to make this one. Actually, see, it doesn't whenever I do it. This is kind of crazy. Okay, okay. What kind of stuff is this? Like for real. Whenever I make it to the top, it just like it like dies. It like makes me die. Bro, this is kind of crazy. Why y'all have to do it to me? This is kind of weird. Oh my gosh, bro, look at me. I just died again. What is going on? Everybody's dropping down. Look at this. Why are we doing this? Why? Let me see. What if I go like right here? Okay, let me try to. Oh my gosh. I just keep dying because the eye, it's like so crazy. You just keep dying. It's kind of it's not I don't think I like this round because you just keep dying and it's kind of crazy. So yeah, look, you just keep dying. Okay, but this is kind of, oh my god. Come on! Y'all better not make me fall again. Cause look at y'all right now. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Again, whenever I do it, wait, if I take the shortcut here, it gets you up there faster. So you don't have to wait. Yeah, I'm trying to go up there faster. It's kind of like an obby, actually. Yeah, it's like an obby. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so, actually, wait, what if I could do it like, what if I, like, go up here? Okay, yes, I made it. So, and then you go here, bro, I just keep dying. Oh my gosh, bro, everybody's keep dying. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just keep dying. Look at that. I don't know what's going on. Everybody's dying. This is kind of crazy. Girl, just go. Y'all gonna make me fall. What y'all waiting on? Wait, how are y'all making this one? I swear, whenever I get on it, watch. I made it! I made it, bro! I made it! I can't believe that! I just made it! This is kind of insane because this thing, it makes you fall down. I don't know why me. Oh. What is y'all waiting on? Y'all ain't staying here? What is y'all doing? Wait. Okay, I'm kind of scared on this one. Okay, let that go. Bro, I just keep dying. This is kind of crazy. Oh my gosh. Bro, everybody's way ahead. Oh my gosh. Bro, look at that. I just keep dying on this one. This one's kind of hard. I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, look at that. You just keep dying. Look at that. Hey, my guy, what's going on? Look at y'all. Look at that. Oh my gosh, bro, why do I keep dying? Why do I keep dying? Please tell me why I keep dying. Oh my gosh. I just keep dying. I don't know what to do. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna make this because I'm just, I just keep dying. And this is, insane. I'm glad when this round ends. Yeah, see, you just keep dying. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, look, everybody's dying from it. Not a good thing. See? I just keep dying. This is kind of insane. Why do I keep dying? Just tell me why. Tell me why, my guy. Oh my gosh. Come on. Hurry up. We can't die here. We're not dying over here. We're not dying. We not dying here. What Why y'all keep dying? We not done. We not done. We not done. No, we not. No, we not. We not done. We not done. Look at y'all. You're done right now. Making it harder what it is. Bro, I swear. I can't stop dying. This is gonna. Oh my gosh. I just keep dying. This is like not okay. Oh, what just happened there? Did you guys see that? Everybody went on the floor. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I think I can do this one. Let me try. This one, this one, this one. I keep dying. Okay, let me try again. That one, that one. I don't know if I can make. Oh, almost there. Do we really have to do all of this? Y'all putting this. Okay, kinda. What do you do? This is kind of hard when you go like when you turn. I think when you just jump. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, I keep dying. Oh my gosh! What do y'all keep telling me? Why do I keep dying? This is really insane. Look at that. Oh. Look at this, guys. This is kind of weird. How do I do this? Oh my gosh. Why? This is kind of weird. I can't make this because look at this. This obvious. It's kind of hard because at the same time, it gets hard. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm gonna break it down to you because all you do, see, look at y'all. I'm gonna break it down to you. You're gonna die on this one. You're gonna fall. So you better listen to me. You're gonna fall. Yeah, you're gonna fall. See that? You're gonna fall. See, that's what always happens. Whenever I go on this one, girl, this is gonna make me fall. And I'm not joking. Ew, what is that? Is that a freaking pig? What is that? Bro, I swear, I just seen an owl in this obby. Oh my gosh. Why you look like an owl? Bro, change your avatar. Why y'all look like an owl? And these girls sound like pigs over there. Look at y'all. Girl, this girl got a fat head. Look at it. She got a fat head. I ain't gonna lie. She got a fat head. Oh gosh, I see the owl again. Nah, I don't know. Does he kind of look like? Does he look like a cockroach? Kind of racist, but yeah. Look at him. Look at him. I'm right near the owl. This guy, this whatever his item, it looks like a cockroach. It's not gonna lie, it's racist. So, yeah! Oh my gosh, no, it does not. It looks like a freaking dead baby. Oh my gosh. Can y'all please explain to him about, you know, how he looks? Oh gosh, I see it. Look at him, he looks like a dead baby. Oh my gosh, he does. Oh my gosh, what is this one? I wonder what this one is. Oh yeah, this is kind of easy. It's just like, but you die at the same time. Oh my god.